Hey guys, it's me, Johnny, and today I'm going to teach you how to get water and ice inside the fridge. This is the fridge, is right, and this is the freezers. Now, tap here. And now, this is how it works. Oh, one more thing. Here's the fridge where we use our food inside. Very cold. And one of the other on the freezers. Well, thanks for watching my video. If you guys anything want to say, let me know your comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and click the notification bell so you guys don't miss a video from me. For now, I gotta go as usual. So I'll see you soon. I'll see you later. Bye.